All right, breezy, windy. We saw a little more sunshine on the Treasure Coast today than the Palm Beaches, so let me take you through this time lapse today. Blue skies to start for Vero Beach, then some clouds, but wait for just this lovely sunset here right around 6:40. I love those beautiful glowing pink skies. Well, it wasn't all glowing in pink today. We know that. Tom Burns sent in these cloudy photos from Loxahatchee, and Deborah Harsh taking this from Jensen Beach. Just kind of a gray, kind of almost a winter-like day here in South Florida, but we haven't seen much rain. And Margie Blue took this early this morning, showing off the harvest moon from Palm City. So thank you to our weather spotters for those gorgeous pictures. Current temperatures right now, everybody within just a few degrees of each other. 75 in Okeechobee, 76 Sebastian, and 78 degrees right now in West Palm Beach. So those temps will drop off a few degrees tonight, but mainly staying in the low to mid 70s. On Viper radar, we are tracking just very, very light shower activity pushing onshore, but throughout the night, we're going to stay mainly dry and mainly dry through the weekend, too. The winds will continue with a tight pressure gradient in place. You can see wind speeds anywhere from 7 miles per hour, a little bit lighter inland Okeechobee, and then 17 mile per hour sustained winds in Boca. Factor in the wind gusts, and we've seen wind gusts up to 30 miles per hour. So those winds will continue right through the weekend out of the east-northeast, and from time to time, we'll see a light shower move onshore, and that's going to be the trend through the weekend. But you can see mainly dry, breezy, mix of sun and clouds, but I'd say more clouds tomorrow than sun, maybe a little more sunshine on Sunday with those light intermittent showers. Well, we are still in hurricane season, and we are watching an area of disturbed weather right down here in the western Caribbean. To the north, we have a lot of drier air just about around Orlando, but we stay in the moisture and some of those high clouds filtering in from that disturbance, keeping us cloudy today. So PTC, potential tropical cyclone 15, moving west towards Belize and Mexico. And then we have another area of disturbed weather. This one, a 20% chance of developing in the next 7 days. But we do expect wind shear to tear this one apart. So neither of these storms will be an impact for us, but just something to know about. Here's the track, pretty straightforward, moving straight west, making landfall as a tropical storm, then weakening quickly down to a remnant low. Max winds right now at 35 miles per hour. For your Friday night, 75 degrees, windy and cool for our standards. Tomorrow, 83, a few sunny breaks, mainly dry, but the winds will be the big weather story this weekend. Small craft advisory in effect for the boaters, seas 7 to 10 feet. So probably you don't want to go in the ocean this weekend. And here is your 7-day forecast. You can see a little more sunshine as we head into next week, and really our rain chances staying low right through next Thursday. A pretty nice day to be on the roads, and beautiful start to the day in Vero Beach with blue skies right there. A lot of sunshine too, but very, very windy. And you can see how fast the clouds are moving through today. Now, times even on the Treasure Coast, we had mostly cloudy skies, but a nice little sunset there from Vero Beach. Tom Burns sending in this ominous looking sky from Loxahatchee. Now, not much rain today, just a lot of overcast skies. And oftentimes from Loxahatchee, we get the bluest skies away from the ocean. Deborah Harsh sending this in from Jensen Beach, and just kind of a fall looking like day here in South Florida. Right now across West Palm Beach, it's 80 degrees. It's 6 degrees warmer than we were at the same time yesterday, and the wind out of the east at 20. Add to it the gust, even stronger than that. Current temperatures warm at the coast, a little bit cooler inland, 73 Okeechobee, and right now we're looking at 76 degrees in Indiantown. Wind gusts up to current winds 23, Boca 20 in West Palm Beach, but the gusts up to 35 miles per hour in Boca, 33 in Vero Beach. So with winds and a strong tight pressure gradient this weekend, the pattern's going to continue with these east to northeasterly breezes bringing in light to spotty brief showers. Not a washout. You probably don't even need your umbrellas, but from time to time, we'll see an isolated stray shower. All right, wind gusts staying high through Saturday morning, even into Sunday, and that's posing a lot of problems at the beach. The only people that are happy about this, the surfers, because surf is going to be up. But if you're a regular swimmer, you basically want to stay on the sand, high risk of rip currents too. So this is the scene throughout the day on Saturday. Sunday, a few more spotty showers roll through, but overall not too bad. Certainly not a washout, and we're looking for a few more sunny breaks this weekend than what what we saw today. All right, to our south, this is potential tropical cyclone number 15, which was designated this afternoon about 5 o'clock. It's moving westward, and you can see some of the high clouds streaming from this disturbance right over West Palm Beach. So that's why we're seeing these cloudy skies. So here's PTC 15 moving west. We have another area of disturbed weather north of Puerto Rico, a 30% chance of development, but we are looking at enhanced wind shear, we should say, and that's going to help deteriorate that storm. So we're not worried about either storm for us, but we are going to see a lot of rain for the folks central Belize and the Yucatan Peninsula, but it's going to weaken very quickly. Now, the latest 11 o'clock model has it strengthening to a Cat 1 just before landfall, and then it will weaken quickly. Back here at home tonight, windy and cool, 75 degrees. Tomorrow, a temperature of 83, sunny breaks, and for the boaters, you just don't want to go out tomorrow. Small craft advisory, seas 7 to 10 feet. Inland waters will be rough, and let's leave you now with your 7-day forecast. Temperatures in the mid 80s and just about a 20 to 30% chance of showers.